Alright, I need to get out of here. I don't know why, but the more I look at the fields, the more they remind me of cake for some reason. Still raining, but we're going to head to the waterfall, which is why we've all suited up. Check out my new outfit. Don't look at me like that. You're wearing the same thing. Oh, we're on separate teams. We've been divided into blue and green. Alright. This is actually my first time riding on motorbike in the rain. My goodness, the GoPro is gonna get splotched all over with water. This raincoat feels pretty secure though. Oh, we made it. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, GoPro's not listening. Nobody chooses to come along with me to see the waterfall. Only 100 meters. Nobody would come with me. Team Blue! Did come with me. Alright, so who's excited to see this waterfall? There are actually people doing a photo shoot right now in this weather. The determination is incredible. Yo! This is Mr. Wira, by the way. What? Oh my goodness, look at those people doing a photo shoot here.
Yeah.
Where are we going? Whoa. Oh, this is what. Oh. I thought the one just now was the waterfall. Oh, yes. Alright, I need to get out of here. So I've been told that can't stay here long because it might flood due to the rain. So I've got to head back immediately. Alright, we're heading back. I can't believe it. I just found like a leech on my foot. And then Mr. Wira here gratefully pulled it off me. Oh my gosh! I didn't even see it. I didn't think it was alive. No, that's not. Oh no, thank goodness. Don't give me a heart attack, alright?
It can't be like this, as big like this.
Thank you. That's enough, you know? Like, I don't need to know.
Yes, of course. This was my story when I was I went to the forest with my mom and my father and my mom. So after I look like this, big like this. This linta.
But actually it's good to clean your blood.
Alright, so the linta that was thrown away apparently didn't go very far. And here it is. There you go. Just standing there. Andy, you said it was good for your blood. Be my guest.
Be my guest.